What's going on, family? I have a Chatham floor plan for you. Now, the Chatham floor plan can be found in various communities around the Charlotte area. You have a community in Mooresville, you have a community in Stanley. Both of those are suburbs of Charlotte, and pricing is anywhere from $430 to $450 depending on the finishes and the location. Now, the Chatham floor plan is 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and just over 2,600 square feet. Actually, it's just under 2,700 square feet. You also have that flex area up front that we just saw, which you can use as an additional living room. I've seen many people use it as an office. This floor plan solves a lot of problems and checks a lot of boxes for families because of its layout and functionality. Here we are in the kitchen area, open kitchen, dining, living room, perfect for entertaining, and just has that modern feel. See the subway tile backsplash, beautiful cabinets, quartz countertop. You have a walk-in pantry. Now, people love Meritage Homes because of the way they're built. They're truly built differently than any other home by a mass producer in the Carolinas. One, again, the energy efficiency. They use a spray foam, which provides better insulation than all the other mass production builders. And you save tons of money on your energy bill. Hundreds of dollars every single year. Now, the bathroom we just saw, this is the model home, so they had to make it ADA compliant, but that would be a full bathroom with a shower in a normal home. This is the bedroom downstairs. Now, Meritage is the only builder that I'm aware of in the Carolinas that has the Energy Star Certificate award for the past 13 years. So not only do you get an amazing, beautiful home, but this home will stand the test of time and save you money. There's also an air filtration system that they put in every single home. And I'm not sure about you, but me and my family, we suffer from allergies. And this cleans and purifies the air, and you can set it to purify it at different times to where I believe it can recirculate up to 100 times in an hour. So just little additional benefits that they're not charging you for, but come standard in a Meritage home. So we just saw the loft area. We saw bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 3. Now, if you're like this home, or if you're interested in any new construction or Meritage home in the greater Charlotte area, both North and South Carolina, do not hesitate to reach out. I am your go-to new construction specialist. If you're not familiar with me, I am Sir Ashley, a real estate advisor, licensed in both North and South Carolina, and I am a top 3% realtor in the Carolinas, and I've helped thousands of families move to or within the Carolinas. So my team and I would love to help you in your journey and make sure that one of your biggest purchases, if not biggest purchase, goes as smooth as possible and that you're being looked out for throughout this process. Do not go buy a home without being represented. You're not gonna get a discount, and my fee is already being covered by the builder. So you get somebody that looks out for you throughout this entire process, and it's no additional cost to you. Look at this humongous owner suite. You have a little sitting area in here. That is a king size bed. You also have this dual vanity countertop in the owner suite bathroom. You have a stand-up shower, water closet, a linen closet, and then we're about to go look at the primary closet as well. Also, through the primary closet, you have access to the laundry room. You don't understand how convenient that is until you have it. Trust me, it's a blessing. It's so easy to just get a change of clothes right there in the laundry room. Reach out to me. I would love to talk to you, be your real estate advisor throughout this entire process. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk to you soon.